Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another project, and this is another custom order. Yeah, it's a goodie box key, goodie box, and she watched the video that I altered the box also with the embroidery flower doily, but the box is different because I couldn't get the box anymore, so I used this two different sizes of box to make this project. So, and actually, yeah, if you want, you can put two tier like so. Then you can separate. So I also embroidery both. So let me to show you. This is the roses that I embroidered, and like so. And the flower is different from the video because I want, I always make this some different thing. So I try this to make, you can see I embroidered edges also. This, okay, this is the small one like so, and two layer of the doily, and also crochet this doily, and also this one is the big one. Also two layer. The underneath layer is a square. It's a square shape, so I make it like so. Put it over here. So you got 4 edges here, and this one is the round. Just show you. Like so. And also use the lace to alter the box here. And I didn't do anything here because I don't want to make it too busy, because on top already enough flowers, and so here I just leave it blank. This one is like so. The original box is this roses printed. I didn't paint it because it turned out pretty. Okay, I show you the small box first. Okay, and all the goodies I already packed, and I don't want to. I will not show you what inside because I already read everything here. So yeah, the recipient will get surprised with what they have. And I use my printer to print all these. Actually it's the white color. This rice paper bag, crossing bag. So I print it and use the lace to alter it. And I already glue everything here. And another one. And alter it with the flower, so. Okay. And show you the big one. Big one also the same, with some printed crossing bag and outer bag. All different. Okay, so yeah, I really hope the recipient, yeah, will love how I make this. Okay, so yeah, this is the glue boxes, and I will shade it up. Okay, let me, because the laces, yeah, this lace, yeah, you have to, so I have to cover it nicely. Okay, done. And this one also. So I really hope she will love this. And thanks again for everyone for stopping by, and yeah, just give me a big thumbs up if you like this project, and please feel free to leave me a comments and let me know what you think, and bye bye.